Here's a quick tip how we can bring in shoes from Daz Studio into Character Creator via Transformer if the feet are hidden. Daz Studio likes doing that, or some creators, especially in the past, they like doing that. I've got the HNC business suit for Genesis 8 male, and I'm going to put it on my base character here, just my male base character, and the feet are there. The shoes look great, but if I go and open this up and then just go and make the BSA loafers invisible, you'll see that the feet are missing. So as a result, if I go and export my figure out with the shoes attached and then bring it into Character Creator, the transformer is going to freak out because it doesn't find the feet, and then it's totally game over and there's nothing you can do about it. Sadly, Daz Studio does not have an option to undo this, so there's no, you can set this up. I think I've explained this in a previous video, but there's no easy way to completely undo or remove this in Daz Studio. There's just no functionality for that unless I don't know about it. But there is a workaround that I'm going to show you in how to reverse this, or at least minimize it so that transformer doesn't freak out. So pay attention, boys and girls. I'm going to select the loafers here, and first of all right click and choose fit the BSA loafers to none, and at that point the feet of the figure come back. So that's perfect. What we need to do on the figure, select it, switch into your geometry editor tool, and then go and select one face. It doesn't matter which one, just make it as small as possible. I'm thinking something underneath the foot is going to be great, either foot, because we're never going to see that usually, and it's just going to be a dummy figure anyway. We're not interested in the Genesis character, we're only interested in the shoes. So select that, and now we're going to set this up as the thing that needs to be hidden when the loafers are being fitted. Now, I can't select nothing. Ideally, I would say something like geometry assignment clear, whatever auto hide faces for attachment were set previously. I'd like to just remove that functionality altogether. Isn't possible in Daz Studio. We can also not select nothing, so I can't say clear selection and now set this up for the loafers. It comes up with, hey, there's nothing selected. There has to be something needs to be selected. So one face underneath the foot, then right click somewhere on the figure, geometry assignment, set auto hide faces for attachment. So we're basically resetting this up with a different group, and in my case I want to use the BSA loafers. Hit accept, and now I can go and click on the loafers again, right click, fit the loafers once again to my Genesis 8 male guy here, accept, and now we can see that part of the figure is missing, but the feet are largely still there. So if I go and make that visible again, my feet are poking through, but I'm totally fine with that because Character Creator has ways to deal with that. So let's go and export my guy out here. I'll call this loafers test as FBX. We don't need to embed the textures, but we do want to merge the follows into the target. That's very important, and include figures, obviously, and that also selected only, disable that, hit accept. I could have also dialed in the pose, works anyway if I don't, so don't worry about it too much. But yeah, in principle, Transformer's now not going to freak out. So this is something I've prepared earlier, works really well. But let's just go through this together and choose Transformer CC3 plus loafers test is what I want to import. We hit advanced. We don't need to import the boxes. We just want the shoes. 1K texture is fine in this case. No body texture is required. Hit OK. And there we have it. I didn't even change into my full character here, but yeah, look at that. So Transformer now worked, and we still have the foot poke through, and we don't have a normal map or bump map here, so we can set that up manually and you know, double click the shoes, go and conform this. Poke through has been eliminated. Yeah, so that is a quick way to import shoes if your feet are missing in Daz Studio. You can't completely reverse it as far as I know, but we can minimize it by just selecting one face underneath the figure, and then Transformer isn't going to freak out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot and got a lot out of it. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.